January 21st, 2025. Donald Trump is in office and we got snow in Texas. Let's go. In Texas, we usually receive ice on the ground. That means snowed, ED. But it is snowing, ING. So I feel like I am in Michigan, not in Texas. This is crazy. How do you feel? Can you report what's happening right now?
Reporting live, Henry Brown here in Sealy, Texas. We have what you see around here, a winter wonderland. There's no businesses open. If you want any liquor, you can't get it. If you want any smoke, you can't get it. If you want any honey, you can get that. Cause hey, one thing about me, if you in Sealy, I'll walk it to you.
Leo! Temperatures are low, vibrations are high. You must walk slow or your ASS will know. Farmer around the car.
Alright, so we are out here at the farm, checking on the bees, checking on the cows, just seeing how everything is. Hey chickadees, hey chickens, hey chickadees. See how they don't have access, better make sure that they can eat. That's how they will stay warm. I know they got food now. Make sure that it's free flowing. Alright. Make sure they have some warm bedding.
This is why you count your blessings every single day. While California is trying to get down the 18 fire, Texas is experiencing really low and cold temperatures where we have snow. It may be fiery on another part of the world or extra hot, but in this side of town, baby, it's cold outside. Let it snow. Leo, here.
And see, in the greenhouse, it's not the warmest. Still, y'all look cold, and see it's frozen. I don't necessarily want to stick my hand up in there. I'm gonna just take the end of this water hose. Up. Got my 3 amigos. What y'all doing? Y'all running up on me? Y'all running up on me? What you doing? Days like this, thriving up in it. Get in there, y'all crazy cows. Get in there. When you hear that, let's go see what the rest of the season looks like in this snow weather. I know it's probably not wise to get on that road.
Now this is what you call snow. This is what you call snowing, ING, in Texas. In Texas, I'm emphasizing the ING. It's snow. It's snowed. Thought you was slick. Got your
Stop. It's not funny anymore. Babe, I said I'm done. I'm done. Babe, I'm done. I don't want to do it no more.
You're not done.
I am.